PetDesk app, so healthy pets, happy humans. So how to install it? So just tap to install. Request appointments with one tap. Earn points by joining the loyalty program with one tap. Keep track of your pet's to-do list using one app. Track vaccinations, lab results, and prescriptions in one place. Our goal is to help your pets live longer, happier, and healthier lives. PetDesk puts you at the center of your pet's health needs by seamlessly connecting you with the best care professionals near you. Now it's easy to be the best pet parent you can be. So appointments, reminders, messages, providers, loyalty, medication requests. And then yeah, you can just open it up and then here's the app. And then you just create your account with name, a cell phone number. I guess this app only works in US, email and password. And then you're good to go. So that's the idea. It's one of the top apps for pets in US. So definitely give it a try.